Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Web. Today in this tutorial of database management system, we will discuss some DBMS MCQs and their answer. We will also explain the answer of these MCQs, so you will get a good understanding about the database management system. So this is our part 1. Soon we will release the part 2 of these questions. So in part 1 we have included 30 MCQ questions with their explanation. So let's start. First question is, which of the following is generally used for performing tasks like creating the structure of the relations, deleting relations? First option available here, DML, data manipulation language. Second option is query, third is relational schema, and fourth one is DDL, data definition language. So right answer will be D, DDL, data definition language. The term DDL stands for data definition language, used to perform all other essential tasks such as deleting relation and related schemas in defining the structure relations. Next question is, which of the following provide the ability to query information from the database and insert tuples into delete tuples from and modify tuples in the databases? So first option available here, DML, second one is DDL, third one is query, and the last one is relational schema. So right answer will be DML. The term DML stands for data manipulation language, used to perform the required changes in the relations values. Next question is, the given query can also be replaced with, so query is select name course ID from instructor teaches, where instructor ID equal to teaches ID. So options available here, select name course ID from teaches instructor, where instructor ID equal to course ID. So here we have this query, and the question is that from which option we can replace this query. Okay, so one by one you have to read all the options available here and give right answer. So you can take your time by pausing this video. So right answer will be B, join clause join two tables by matching the common columns. Next question is, which one of the following given statement possibly contains the error? So first option available here, select star from employee, where employee ID 10,003. Second option is select employee ID from employee, where employee ID equal to 10,006. Third option is select employee ID from employee, and the last option is select employee ID, where employee ID equal to 1009 and last name equal to Galar. So right option is D. The query given in option D does not contain the from clause, which specify the relation from which the value have to be selected or fetched. That is why the right answer will be D. Next question is, read the query carefully. Okay, here I have typed this ready word instead of read the query carefully. Okay, so here this query we have given here, and in this above given query, which of the following can be placed in the query's blank portion to select the department name that also contain computer science as its ending string? So we have to choose one option from these four. So first option is and, underscore, percentage and dollar symbol. So right answer will be C. So we will use this percentage symbol, because in this given query this divide operator will be used, which is generally used while searching for a certain pattern in the string. It represents the single and multiple characters. In this case it used with where clause to select the department name that contains the computer science as its ending string. So, this is the answer. Now, next question is, what do you mean by one-to-many relationship? So, options available here. One class may have many teachers, one teacher can have many classes may have many teachers may have many classes. So, right answer will be B. One teacher can have many classes. We can understand to one-to-many relationship as a teacher who may have more than one classes to attend. Next question is, in the following query, which of the following can be placed in the query's blank portion to display the salary from highest to lowest amount and sorting the employee name alphabetically? So, options available here. We have to first read this query carefully, after that we have to choose the option. Okay. So, first option is ascending and descending, second option is ASC and DESC, third option is DESC and ASC, and fourth option is all of the above. So, right answer will be C, because to sort the salary from highest to lowest amount and display the employee name alphabetically, one can use the DESC and ASC in the above given query. Next question is, a database management system is a type of software. So, options available here. It is a type of system software, it is a kind of application software, it is a kind of general software, both A and C. So, right answer will be, it is a type of system software. The DBMS is a kind of system software used for several operations such as creating tables, databases, storing data, managing databases. It also allows modifying the data stored in the databases as well. So, this is the answer. Next question is, the term FAT is stand for. First option is file allocation tree, second option is file allocation table, third option is file allocation graph, and the last one is all of the above. So, right answer will be file allocation table. The term FAT can be described as a file structure in which all the information about the files, where they are stored and where all these files need to be stored or in which directory, all that information generally stored in the file structure. Therefore, the operating system creates a table in which all the files and clusters are stored. So, this is known as the allocation table. Next question is, which of the following can be considered as the maximum size that is supported by FAT? So, first option available here 8 GB, second option is 4 GB, third option is 4 TB, and the last option is none of the above. So, right answer will be B. The file with a size of less than 4 GB or equal to 4 GB are easily supported by the FAT. All files with a size greater than the maximum size are not supported by the FAT. Next question is, the term NTFS refers to which one of the following? So, options available here: new technology file system, new tree file system, new table type file system, both A and C. So, right answer will be new technology file system. In the old operating system, the file structure used to store and manage file is called the FAT32. Later, when the technology evolves with the time, a new type of file system is introduced, that is known as the new technology file system, and it overcomes all the drawbacks issues that exist in FAT file architecture and has many other new features, such as it is fast, it can handle files whose size is even greater than 4 GB. Next question is, which of the following can be considered as the maximum size that is supported by NTFS? So, options available here: 4 GB, second option is 16 TB, Third option is 64 TB and the last option is 8 TB. So, right answer will be A, 4 GB. The new technology file system was introduced in 1993 for the very first time as a part of new Windows operating system. So, we may be surprised to know that Windows are still using it because its fast speed and can support file whose size is 16 up to 16 TB, which is much more than that file size supported by the old system. Next question is a huge collection of the information or data accumulated from several different sources is known as. Here I have mistakenly already given the answer. So, options are here data management, data mining, data warehouse and both B and C. So, right answer will be C, data warehouse. So, why this data warehouse? Because it's a huge collection of different types of data information which collected from many different sources stored in one place is called data warehouse. It works just like the standard warehouse, which is generally a type of holding area or building to store the different types of different goods in huge quantities until they are further distributed. Therefore, the correct answer is data warehouse. Next question is, which of the following can be used to extract or filter the data and information from the data warehouse? So, options available here: data redundancy, second option is data recovery tool, third option is data mining and the last one is both B and C. So, right answer will be C, data mining. The tool used to obtain meaningful information or data from the large collection of data, that is known as data mining tools. So, through data mining, one can easily filter the useful information or data from the massive collection of data. Therefore, the correct answer is data mining. Next question is, which one of the following refers to the copy of the same data or information occupying the memory space at multiple places? So, first option available here, data repository, second option is data inconsistency, third option is data mining and the last option is data redundancy. So, right answer will be D, data redundancy. The data redundancy generally occurs whenever more than one copy of exact same data exists in several different places. Sometimes it may cause data inconsistency, which can result in an unreliable source of data or information that is not good for everyone or anyone. Next question is, which one of the following refers to the data about data? So, first option is directory, second option is subdata, third option is warehouse and the last option is metadata. So, right answer will be metadata. The metadata refers to the type of data that describe the other data or information. A general file or document is nothing more than a sequence of bytes that contain information like file name, file size and date and time when the document was created or modified. So, we can take one example to understand this concept, like a common music file. The metadata may have include the singer name, the year and it was released and the lyrics, etc. Okay. So, next question is, which of the following refers to the level of data abstraction that describes exactly how the data actually stored? So, options available here: conceptual level, second option is physical level, third option is file level and the last option is logical level. So, right answer will be physical level. Data abstraction means displaying or sharing only the data that is needed and hiding from all other data until it is necessary to share it. However, data abstraction level that describe how the data was actually stored in the user's machine, that is known as the physical level. So, correct answer will be physical level. Next question is, to which of the following the term DBA referred? So, first option available here, data bank administrator. Second option is database administrator. Third option is data administrator, and the last option is none of the above. So right answer will be database administrator. The term DBA refers to the database administrator that manages the whole database and updates the database on a regular basis. In short, the database administrator has the responsibility of the whole database and to maintain it an optimal and stable state. Next question is, in general, a file is basically a collection of all related. So first option available here, row and columns. Second option is fields. Third option is database, and last option is records. So right answer will be D, records. Whenever we have some related data, information or record, we collect all those related data and put them together, store them in one place and give that collection name, that is known as file. So next question is, the term data refers to, first option is the electronic representation of the information, second option is basic information, third option is raw facts and figures, and the last option is both A and C. So right answer will be C. In general, the term data refers to the raw facts and figures, whereas the information referred to as the data, which is really important for someone or a particular person. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Next question is, rows of a relations are known as the degree, tuples, entity, and all of the above. So right answer will be tuples. So in SQL, the relation is represented by a table, and a table is a collection of rows and columns. Therefore, the collection of a rows and column is called the table, whereas a table is known as the relation in the SQL. So in a relation, rows are called the tuples. So the correct answer will be tuples. Next question is, which of the following refers to the number of tuples in a relation? So options available here, entity, column, cardinality, and the last option is none of the above. So right answer will be cardinality. So cardinality refers to the number of tuples of relation, because cardinality represents the numbers of tuples in a relation. To understand this in detail, we can consider one example. Suppose we have a relation that contains 30 tuples, means rows, and 4 columns. So the cardinality of our relation will be 30. Next question is, which one of the following is a type of data manipulation command? So options available here, create, alter, and delete. So right answer will be delete. In DML, the command like select, insert, update, and delete is used to manipulate the information. That is why answer is delete. Next question is, which of the following command is a type of data definition language command? So options available here, create, update, delete, and merge. So right answer will be create. The data definition language is generally used to maintain or define the structure of the database. For example, creating a table, drop table, alter table. In short, we can say that the command of data definition language is used to work on the tables schemes inside the database. Next question is, which of the following is a top-down approach in which the entities higher level can be divided into 2 lower sub-entities? So right answer will be C, specialization. In specialization, the top-down approach is used and it is opposite to the generalization. In the specialization, the higher level entity can be divided into sub-lower entities. It is generally used for identifying the subset of an entity set which share the distinguishing characteristics. So to understand this, we will consider one example. Suppose we have an entity, a vehicle. So through the specialization, we can divide it further into sub-entities like 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers. So this is called as specialization. Next question is, in which of the following the multiple lower entities are grouped together to form a single higher level entity? So options available here: specialization, generalization, aggregation, and none of the above. So right answer will be generalization. The bottom-up approach is used in the entities are grouped together to make an individual higher level entity. In short, we can say that it is totally the opposite of specialization. To understand it more clearly, we will take one example. Suppose we have several lower level entities like bus, car, motorbike, etc. So in order to make a more generalized higher level entity, we can combine them under a new higher level entity such as vehicle. So this is how we can describe the generalization. Next question is, in a relation database, every tuples divided into the fields are known as queries, domains, relations, and all of the above. So right answer will be B, domains. In a database, the number of rows inside a table is known as tuples, and if we further divide those tuples into those fields, they become the domains. So right answer will be B. Next question is, the term TCL stands for. First option available here, ternary control language. Second option is transmission control language. Third option is transaction central language, and the last option is transaction control language. So right answer will be D, transaction control language. The term TCL refers to the transaction control language, which is another language just like DDL, DML. The command like commit, save, point, rollback come under the TCL. It is used to control the transaction. That is why the answer will be D. Next question is, in the relational table, which of the following can also be represented by the term attribute? So options available here: entity, row, column, both B and C. So right answer will be C, column. In the database, the number of rows inside a table is called the tuples, and the number of columns are known as the attributes. That is why answer will be column. Next question is, which of the following refers to the number of attribute in a relation? Options available here: degree, row, column, all of the above. So right answer will be degree. The column inside the table is called the attribute, and the total number of attribute inside the table is called the degree. So here we can see degree refers to the number of attribute in a relation. That is why the answer will be degree. So this is how we have completed our 30 MCQs of DBMS with explanation. So by watching this video, you can get basic understanding of the DBMS. So on our channel, you can find some tutorials also. Okay, so some office tutorials are also there, and some tech videos are also there, and in the some technical subjects, programming in C, artificial intelligence, and object oriented concepts in Java tutorials are also available. And if you gain some knowledge from this video tutorial, then please like and share this video. And if you want more video like this, then you can write in comment section on which subject you want these objective type questions and answer with explanation. We are also available on Facebook, so you can redirect to our Facebook page by clicking on the link that is given in the description box. Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.